Hello. You joined me in a Halfords car park. I know, I'm not just chilling out. I'm about to get out and buy some stuff. Specifically cleaning stuff. Now, I said I was going to clean the Imp. I've decided now, today, on a Monday afternoon, that I fancy cleaning the Imp today. And that's mainly because I, to be honest, don't think it's going to get unseized, and it's another project that I realistically don't have any full intentions of keeping it forever. However, I would like to make it presentable and do the car some justice, and then pass it on to someone that's going to be able to, give it a new lease of life, because the car is really good in the grand scheme of things, and it deserves to be put back on the road. It is a very good base, and yeah, I think the paint is going to come out pretty decent. But word of warning, I have never cleaned a car in my life, not properly anyway. If using the brush at Tesco classes cleaning the car properly, then I'm your boy. But for now, I think I'm going to go in there, buy some shampoo, lots of microfibers, glass clean. I've got nothing. Nothing special. Any cleaning companies want to sponsor me, that'd be great, because I would use them on customer cars, etc. And the other thing is I'm gonna get clay bar. I have a bucket. I don't know. I don't even have a jet wash, so I'm using a hose pipe. I don't think it really matters. Oh, I'm gonna buy a orbital sounder and some compound and stuff like that. So I don't know what I'm buying. I could be doing completely wrong. But yeah, it's great. I'll show you what I get in a minute. Only the best for our little Imp. Now, I'm very last minute, so I probably could have ordered all this stuff online, but I didn't. And yeah. If you go into Halfords, it's £1 million or 20 quid for a Demon Shine. So I'm sure the Rust isn't going to mind a bit of Demon Shine. So yeah, quick recap on the car. Been sat for about 40 years in a garage. Found it on industrial estate, just abandoned. Managed to buy it. Tried to get it unseized. And yeah, it just lives in my unit now. It's obviously really dusty, and well, it just needs a new lease of life. So today we're going to give it a clean. Now, the outside is covered in little bits of rust, which I like. Inside is relatively okay, just really moldy. The carpet's in the back, so I'm going to put it all back together, give the interior a clean and a hoover. And yeah, we're going to try and bring the paint back to life. Obviously, it needs some new rubber seals, but yeah, it's a good candidate. It's a good car, and it deserves some love. So I'm going to push it outside, clean it, and then bring it back and just sort of start, giving it a bit of a love. Can I just say, I pulled it out of that garage, pumped the tyres up to 40 psi, and they haven't lost a single drop of air. Unbelievable, can't believe it. And if you look down here, all the oil and stuff has literally been leaking out the car that I've filled the engine with to try and break it up. So it might still turn over now. It's been a couple of weeks, but we'll see what happens. Looks like a different car. Obviously it is wet, but you can actually see the colour of the car. It's really nice green, I'll be honest. That looks so good. Obviously there's some white marks here. We're going to try and get rid of that right now, so I'll sort that out and you'll see me doing that. Right, so my plan was to just thinner the white bit off. That didn't work. It took the paint underneath with it, I think. Not too sure because it looks like it's been sanded down then painted over, which is so annoying. I want to try and get rid of all the white, but like keep the rust, which is going to be pretty difficult. I tried sanding it down and it works a little bit better. It's just going to be one of those really annoying things to get all of it done. And it's mainly just the door and the rear arch that I dislike. The rest of it is good, but this is going to take me a while, so just bear with me. Look at the reflection in it. So I sanded it all off. This wasn't me. It might have been. But I sanded it all off, and obviously it's been bare metal underneath, which is why it's got all these dots on it. Look at the reflection in it. I just fast cut it by hand, and there's a reflection in there. So I think what I'm going to do is, to continue this patina thing, I'm going to get rid of all the white. Look at the reflection in it. Going to get rid of all the white, and then I'm going to spray salt water on these areas and turn them into rust. And then when the whole car gets polished, it will hopefully look the same as the rest of it, theoretically. But yeah, I'm going to get all of this off and, well, give it a go. Doesn't look much different, but just bear with me. This is a process which I will see through because I'm committed now. But you know what I mean? It's gonna work. I think this car's gonna come out really, really nice. I'm really excited. Right, so if you squint, it's not so apparent. I think I'm going to get some touch-up paint for it. Just go over it. I might bare metal it, let it rust, then paint over it, because the rust will come through the green, sort of like this, which is what I want for it to do. So, that for now is okay. I'm going to clay bar the car. I'm not quite sure how you clay bar a car, but I'm going to give it a go. We'll see what happens. I am extremely out of my comfort zone. I don't know what I'm doing with this, but I see other people using it, and they just rub it on the car a bit. So, I don't know what you do with this. Clay bar. Oh, you might tell me. It's sticky. Tree sap, other bonded I'm reading that. Demon shine? Is that what you do? I know you get it wet. Am I getting it too wet? Nah. Surely it can't be bad. And then they do something like this. I've seen them do it on the internet. Internet detailer here. Oh, this is easy, mate. Oh, look, and then they show you that, and they go, oh, look, it's dirty. Obviously it's dirty. I think that might just be rust particles. But apparently you do this before you detail it. Otherwise you just rub a load of dirt into it. So, just doing what the internet usually does. I don't know if I'm doing it right or what, I just don't know. To be honest, this is probably not even necessary for this car. God, it's dirty, isn't it? That's what they do, I don't know. Really don't know what I'm doing. So, if you're watching this and absolutely cringing out your mind, you're so welcome. Woo! I'm sure this is going to make all the difference. Oh, I dropped it on the floor. I don't know if you're meant to drop it on the floor. I don't know if that's what happens. Just going to rub it all over it a bit. This is detailer. Yeah, that's dirty. And then you just wipe it. Let me get a rag. It's picking up bits on the Claim It. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can really see the results there. It's really transformed the paint. Oh yes. Very marvellous. Oh, fantastic. Looks so clean and fancy. Oh yes, you feel the paint now, it's great. It's actually a lot nicer to touch now, actually. Anyway, gonna do that to the whole car and pretend that I know what I'm doing a little bit more. So, cheers. It's a 50-50 there, from the bonnet to there, with just a quick going over the clay bar. I don't know if that's meant to do that or I've literally just cleaned it. That's impressive. The clay bar is absolutely covered in it. It's just picking up all the rust particles. So it's less than ideal. I've been trying to wash it off, but obviously there's so much dirt on there. They're just not loving it. But I must continue. Right, I'm trying to get rid of some of this mould and horribleness in the car because it absolutely is rank. Smothering thing. It's
against mine.
so good. I keep seeing like reflections. This car is gonna look so good. I'm so stoked it's coming out as nice as it is. Really pleased, really pleased. That's well good. Look how clean it is.
That's mad. That's fucking
Like glass, man.
12 marks in it.
I know, it's like brand new. Oh, now look, you got the shiniest bit on the whole car.
Yeah.
Look how shiny it is. You can see Ryan's car in it. That's so good. It's so green. Oh, it looks so clean. You're good at your mouth. We're gonna burn through it and put it back to bare metal. I went through here with hand. That's weird. Now wipe it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Do as you're told.
That well, actually.
It ain't.
Oh, well, sure, it's fucking scratchy, isn't it? So, nothing wrong compared to that. Yeah, it looks fucking sweet.
Still shiny. Oh look, if you stand over here, it looks
Brand new.
the same. My apprentice is doing round 2.
Oh, fucking apprentice.
Apprentice, yeah. Minimum wage.
Christ. I wish I was on minimum wage. You ain't even paying me.
Just get it done and shut up. That's mental. I knew it would come out good, but I didn't think it was going to come out that good. Right, so I think I'm going to cut this video short, annoyingly. When I've got enough time to do the rest of it, I'll show you the finished result because it's going to be a couple of days and I want to get the video out before the end of the week. So I know it's annoying, but do bear with me. I'll show you the end result. I've actually swapped it for something else anyway, so I need to hurry up and get it done anyway. So thanks for watching. Goodbye. That's such a cruel thing, I'm sorry. But you get the gist. You'll see it in another video.